Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop accepting responses in a Google form. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is follow these instructions step by step. So if you want to learn how to stop accepting responses in Google Forms, just go ahead and click on the Publish button that's on the top right, and here you can see that you can turn off accepting responses. You can also edit a message that will pop up for anyone who tries to respond to this form. You can leave a message explaining that you don't accept any more responses for this form. After you are done, you can manage the responders and click Save. Now, as you can see at the top, this form is not accepting responses. You can manage it again by clicking Manage, and you can turn on accepting responses or turn it off. This was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.